Hi guys, welcome to another video. I am in the sunny island of Jamaica. I am Lexi, in case you guys don't know, and I create travel and lifestyle content in the sunny island of Jamaica. Today we are talking about how to still enjoy your vacation as a tourist coming to Jamaica during a hurricane. We all know that the category 5 hurricane Beryl is barreling to Jamaica right now, and tomorrow is when she'll make landfall. So I'm just going to give you some tips and tricks on how to still enjoy the most of your vacation if you're stranded down here. You thought that you would be escaping the weather conditions of wherever you're coming from, but here we are, about to be impacted by a hurricane of that magnitude. We're just preparing for the worst and expecting the best. So without further ado, let's start it. So you have already booked your flight, right? Flight to Jamaica, paradise island of the Caribbean. But there's a hurricane in the forecast, so don't worry. Here's what you need to know. So first things first, you want to stay updated, monitor local news and weather reports for the latest information. Jamaican authorities are well prepared and will be able to provide guidance on the safety measures, especially in Jamaica. So keep updated, not only local but international news, because they have all the tea when it comes to Beryl and where it's going next. Next, you want to contact your airline and accommodations. They're experienced in handling these situations and can advise you on any rescheduling opportunities or changing of your plans. Number 3 is that you also want to prepare an emergency kit, include essentials like water, non-perishable food, medication, and any other important documents that you might have or important items that you might need. Number 4 is that you want to stay indoors. It goes without saying, guys, it goes without saying. Follow instructions from the local authorities, the government, and all those people that are involved in making sure that you guys are safe, and you need to remain indoors. That is a given. It's a given, guys. The next thing you want to know is that check your travel insurance, review all the travel insurance policies that you can possibly review to understand what coverage you have for your trip. So you want to contact your insurance for guidance and any assistance that you may need. You want to stay connected, keep your phone charged, keep your power bank charged, and ensure that all access to communication is done, especially email, you have social media, and any messaging apps that you receive updates of the weather, because you want to stay in touch and you want to stay updated. If it's safe to do so, ensure that you try to do some alternate activities. I mean, you're not going to do water sports right after a hurricane, but once it is safe to do so, you want to go to probably the museum or the cultural centers, any indoor markets, and any cultural opportunities that allow you to enjoy yourself and immerse yourself in the Jamaican culture still. Because Jamaica is such a tourist central, they're not going to be down for long. So as much as they said, oh, you're going to try to get time to recover, they will ensure that there are opportunities for you to still enjoy yourself after the hurricane, especially hotels. If you are stuck on a hotel or stuck in an Airbnb somewhere, I know a couple days from now, hopefully praying that everything will be open for business again. Another tip is that you want to understand that all this is out of our control. Hurricanes are natural disasters and they're not in our control. So please practice patience and flexibility when there's power outages, when you know you don't have no water. Just ensure that you are patient and you understand that people are trying tirelessly to ensure that it becomes back on stream, your service and your internet and your electricity and your water is restored. If you're one of those persons that love to go outside after the storm or a couple days after the storm, make sure that you do so with caution, and make sure that you understand that everything is not going to be peaches and cream and rainbows and fluffy flowers after this. Damage is expected, outrage is expected, caution is expected, and you just make sure that you engage in any outdoor activities safely, people, safely. Finally, you want to stay calm. These situations can be stressful, but safety is the top priority at this point. As you see, the weather is nice and great, but in tutus, it's going to be raining, wind is going to be blowing, everything is going to go haywire, but you want to stay safe and remain calm. This is a beautiful island. We all see it, we all know it, we all love it. But it's out of our control right now. We can't really do much when there's a natural disaster, but just prepare and ensure that we are safe through it. So as a tourist coming to Jamaica, or as a tourist in the island already, and you know you're wondering what to do while you are on the island and stranded, it seems, just make the most of it. If you have any indoor activities, I'm sure hotels will have activities for you to enjoy, and just treat it as an experience. I know it becomes stressful and worrisome at times, but like I said, just ensure that you're kept safe. This too shall pass. I'm sure you'll be out back in the beach somewhere having a cocktail and enjoying your life. All right, guys, so like I said, make sure that safety is your top priority. We as Jamaican people are ensuring that we're going out and getting our last minute necessities. We're ensuring that we are battening down our houses. And I know that as a tourist, you probably don't do that right now because you are just trying to enjoy your life. You came down to Jamaica to vacation, and now you have to worry about a whole category 5, 4, 3, 2 hurricane on the horizon. But like I said, this too shall pass, and this is an experience that you can go home to tell your parents and your auntie, your uncle, your child, your dog, and just make the most of it, guys. Make the most of it. This too shall pass. I can't say it enough. I can't say it enough because we are just hoping for the best, preparing for the worst, and making sure that we are a resilient set no matter what. All right, guys, so I'll catch you later. Hopefully I have another update for you. Hopefully it gets better. Hopefully we don't have to worry about catastrophic damage, but right now I'm gonna go and finish my preparation, because as you see the sky and you see the lovely lush greenery behind me, it probably is not going to be lovely and lush in a couple hours, and we hope that we bounce back before the week is over. But right now, like I said, try to enjoy the peacefulness and the calmness that is right now, and then go through literally the storm and enjoy the rest of your vacation.